Do you want to know how you can add your account on 1xBet? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to TechTube. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can add your account to 1xBet. Go ahead and open any browser on your PC. Then go ahead and open 1xbet.com and you can see this is the page. Now to add your account, go ahead and click login. And after you click login, which is over here, something like this page will open up. So if it doesn't open up, just go ahead and reload the 1xBet page and then click on login again. So go ahead and click login and this page will open up. Now you can add your account using these options, which are your Telegram, X, Twitch, Line and Google account. So go ahead and choose whichever is easier for you. Then click on your Google account and in a while you can notice that your account will be added. So guys, this is how you add your account to 1xBet. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure you enjoy.